In the manufacturing industry, a spindle is a critical component of various machines used for cutting, drilling, milling, and grinding. It is a rotating axis that holds the cutting tool and provides the necessary power and speed to perform the desired operation. Spindles are available in different sizes, shapes, and materials, depending on the application and the machine's requirements. They are typically made of steel, ceramic, or carbon fiber and can rotate at high speeds of up to 60,000 RPM. Spindles are used in a wide range of manufacturing processes, including metalworking, woodworking, plastics, and composites. They are essential for precision machining, where accuracy and repeatability are crucial. Spindles can be customized to meet specific requirements, such as high torque, low vibration, or high-speed operation. They can also be equipped with sensors and monitoring systems to ensure optimal performance and prevent damage or failure. Berkness Company is a leading manufacturing company that specializes in custom machinery and automation solutions for various industries, including aerospace, automotive, medical, and consumer goods. The company has extensive experience in designing and building spindles for different applications, from simple drilling to complex multi-axis machining. Berkness Company's spindles are known for their high quality, reliability, and precision, and they are used by many leading manufacturers worldwide. If you are looking for a reliable and experienced partner for your spindle needs, Berkness Company is the right choice. The company's team of engineers and technicians can work with you to design and build a spindle that meets your specific requirements and budget. Whether you need a standard spindle or a custom solution, Berkness Company can deliver it on time and within budget. To learn more about the company's spindle capabilities and other services, visit the Contact Us page on the site and fill out the form or call the number provided. FAQs. 1. What is a spindle in manufacturing? A spindle is a rotating component that is used to hold and rotate a workpiece or tool in a machine. It is commonly used in manufacturing processes such as milling, drilling, and turning. 2. What are the different types of spindles used in manufacturing? There are several types of spindles used in manufacturing, including belt-driven spindles, direct drive spindles, and motorized spindles. Belt-driven spindles use a belt to transfer power from the motor to the spindle, while direct drive spindles are directly connected to the motor. Motorized spindles have a built-in motor and are typically used in high-speed machining applications. 3. How do you maintain a spindle in manufacturing? To maintain a spindle in manufacturing, it is important to regularly clean and lubricate it to prevent wear and tear. Additionally, it is important to monitor the spindle for any signs of damage or wear, such as excessive vibration or noise. If any issues are detected, the spindle should be repaired or replaced as soon as possible to prevent further damage to the machine. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.